Oo. When I say it. When I say the hapon, I didn't need to say the dance. But I didn't need to say happy birthday dance. I didn't need to, I didn't. I love you.
I was born to...
Hi baby! Happy birthday! So I hope you enjoy your day. Kung ano man ang gagawin mo ngayong araw, you enjoy it. More birthdays to celebrate together. Kung ano man mangyari, we're just here for you. Caitlin and I will just be supporting you always. I love you!
Today will be the day, it all will change. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day.
Hi, Nini. Happiest birthday.
Salamat sa lahat at more birthday pa and good health.
Kaya ni, enjoy and relax the day, your day, and God bless and be happy. Happy 40th birthday, Nini.
We love you so much.
Happy 40th birthday! We love you so much!
Happy birthday, Happy New Year, we love you!
Hi, Boss! Happy 40th birthday! We love you! How much?
Today will be the day, it all will change. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day.
Gusto ko talagang magpasalamat sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon, lalo na yung mga galing pa sa malalayong lugar. And hindi rin siya talaga magiging posible kung hindi dahil sa inyong lahat. So to my family, to my friends, my all-time friends, sa mga dumayo pa talaga dito sa Cavite, hindi siya madaling, kumbaga, yung iba talaga nag-effort ka. So I really appreciate, and this would be my best birthday celebration thus far. Thank you!